Wasp foam nest removal works best when you follow safe, specific steps and understand product limits. Choose a water-resistant, long-range aerosol foam labeled for wasp and hornet nest knockdown, and plan the operation for after dark when most insects are inside and less active. Wear full personal protective equipment including a hooded bee suit or at minimum a long-sleeve coverall, head net, goggles, chemical-resistant gloves and boots. Seal cuffs and pant legs with tape so no gaps remain. Approach quietly with a flashlight covered by red or dim film to avoid agitating insects and position yourself upwind. Keep a clear retreat path free of obstacles. Use the maximum range setting on the aerosol foam to stand as far back as practical. Aim for the nest entrance and dispense until the entrance and visible interior are completely saturated so foam can flow into cavities and coat occupants. Wait at least 24 hours, then check from a safe distance for activity. If any live wasps are seen, retreat and apply a second full treatment to achieve complete control. Once there is no activity, wear protective gear and remove the nest by cutting it free or detaching from the substrate, bagging it immediately and disposing of it in regular trash or as local regulations specify. 3 common mistakes are approaching nests during daylight and provoking defensive swarms, using a low-range or non-foaming product that does not penetrate nest cavities, and removing nests too quickly while live insects remain. If you approach during daytime, you risk multiple stings, so always schedule treatments after dark and maintain distance with long-range products. If treatment fails because foam did not saturate the interior, repeat the application thoroughly and change position to treat any unknown entrances. If you remove the nest without confirming an activity, you can cause dispersal, so always observe for a full day without activity and wear protection during removal. We at BigHomeProjects.com connect homeowners and contractors around projects like pest control and provide a discussion community where people can share experiences, product tips, and local recommendations. Our site helps contractors find work by listing services and projects while helping homeowners find local options and peer advice.